Good, guys? Today is another day of doing the forward testing. So today was quite really slow. I didn't get a great entry, but I mean it was a small move in NQ. So let's recap the trade. So coming into the day, I was bullish, but also expecting the bearishness can turn in case an SMT holds here, because you can see right here, like it was before it closed above this, like before we took out this high. I was confident. I was thinking that bearishness can also set in, but I was sitting and just waiting. So in the 1 hour, like right at the open, we retraced and push higher, go down the 15-minute. You can see that we were retracing the 15-minute gap right at the open, and then we started running higher. So there wasn't even a good retracement one could enter from, which made it really hard. So now into going at 11, I was still like sitting on my laptop waiting. I saw something here. I went on the 15-minute and I saw that price was still bullish. I didn't want the whole move, but just a small move is also enough. So this right here, this gap here, I saw that price was rejecting it, and there was an SMT with ES. So I was confident that it could now start rejecting and head high. So I'm go inside here. My take profit was up 1 to 2, but I ended up closing somewhere around this candle, because it was consolidating, and when this target had been hit before ES did that. Not that before it did that is bad, it's just that this SMT here could make big differences to our trade, and the fact that we also had this gap here holding, you can see price retraces into it, then holds. So I was confident that it could potentially draw lower, or just take us out. So it's like, look, I'm gonna get out of this. Let's activate executions. So yeah, this was it. Entered here and exited right there. So it was like a break even. I count it as a break even. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So sweep, we push higher inversion right at this candle here. I entered my first position. The second one was a little bit late. Yeah, first one was at 310, another one was at 313, somewhere around there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, I was looking for the market to go higher, ended up delivering to full take profit. Even though I didn't take it, I'm grateful, because this is what what the model tells me. Price, my model told me that when price is moving, it like plummets higher, like goes in a straight direction, not consolidating. So I've managed to see that, and I've learned from that. So that's why I ended up closing the position. So it's not a losing day to me. I believe I followed my rules and I waited for the right setup instead of just hurrying in, because I wasn't seeing anything here at all. And there were some inversions, but I didn't see any sweep. So no sweep, no liquidity sweep, no any kind of SMT. Then why would I enter? I would be disrespecting my rules, as I was saying. So yeah, pretty good. So the SMT here was on this low here. From this low here to here, you can see the SMT right there. Yep, from these lows here. So GG's on this one. Now let's go right to the journal it. So I'm around 815 bucks away from passing the eval, but I'm sticking to my rules. I'm not gonna let it get to my head that I'm remaining with a few bucks before I can pass it. Just gonna sit, concentrate, and avoid focusing on just this PNL. Like, this is almost nothing it's nothing actually, in my opinion. I should instead focus on growing more and focus on the process and detach. So let's put that into the journal, and that will be it. Right, so just filled out the journal. I took this trade because I was expecting market to go higher, and I was seeing every reason for the market to expand higher. And even though it didn't do as I expected, but the bias was pretty solid. Like, it ended up going higher, even though it wasn't that much. I was looking for mainly these highs here, but the moment these highs were taken out was a sign that we could be about to start reversing. And another good thing here is that I closed the entry, even though it could have gone higher, but I saw that it's not really like worth waiting for, because it was consolidating really much. And I felt confident with letting go because price was really not looking good. So I'm grateful that I'm detaching from the outcome, focusing on just developing on a daily basis. I pray I don't crash out or get emotional about anything. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I learned that sometimes trades can be cut short instead of relying on hope, because honestly, I would have been hopeful there because there were no clear draws and liquidity left. So it's great that I closed it. So I think that's all about the trade review, and until next time, stay blessed. Peace.